Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a mail account and configure it in the Plesk control panel. Without wasting any time, let's roll out the intro and get into the video. This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track. First, let's see how to create a mail account on the Plesk. As the first step, log into a Plesk control panel from the SeekaHost India dashboard or directly from the browser. On the Plesk dashboard left side, you can see the option named Mails. Click and open it. Here, click on the Create Email Address option. On the email address field, enter the name for your email address and tick the checkbox can be used to log in on Plesk. If you click this option, you can also able to log in your Plesk control panel using this email ID and password. In the external email address field, enter any one of your email address. Please note that the external email address here you are using also be used to reset your password if you lose access to your primary email address. Now click the generate option to generate your email address password. Now click on the show button and copy the password in your notepad. Now on the mailbox field, you can allocate the quota for this particular mail. In default, all mails will use 1 GB. If you want to change it, click on the another size option and enter your quota. In the description in Plesk field, enter the purpose of the mail ID. It will display in the Plesk control panel. After entering all the details, click on the OK button. Your email account will be created. Please note that if you log into a Plesk control panel using the created mail address, it will only show you the mail related settings in the Plesk control panel. Now let's see how to configure the mail account in the Plesk control panel. On the same mails page, click on the mail account to open the mail settings. First one was the general settings. Here you can change the general settings that we configured while creating the mail account. If we scroll up, you can see the option name forwarding. Click and open it. Here you can enable the email forwarding for the particular mail. To enable it, tick the checkbox, switch on the mail forwarding. In the forward incoming message to the following email address field, enter the mail address that you want to forward the incoming mails. You can add as much as you want. On the top, you can see another checkbox, do not deliver copies of the forwarded emails to the Plesk mailbox. If you enable it, it will not deliver the copies of the forwarded mails to the Plesk mailbox. On the top menu bar, you can see the option named Email Aliases. Click and open it. Here you can add email aliases to your primary email address. You can create as much as you want, and please note that all mails sent to email aliases will be received on the primary email address. If you want to add the alias, enter the alias name and click the OK button or apply button to make the changes. Now on the top menu bar, click on the auto reply button. Here you can set up an automatic response to any mail that coming to a mail address. To enable this option, tick the checkbox, switch on auto reply. Leave the auto reply message subject as it is. Choose the message format plain text or HTML. Leave the encoding format as it is. On the auto reply message text, enter your text. Please note that the text you enter here will be sent as an automatic response for all the incoming mails. In the forward to field, enter the mail address. When the automatic response is sent, the original message will be forwarded to the specified email address. Send an automatic response to a unique email address no more than times a day. Enter the count here. In default, it will be 1. On the attach a file field, you can attach the file that has to be sent with the automatic response. Now tick the checkbox, switch off auto reply on. Here you can fix the time to turn off the automatic response. Now click on OK or apply button to save the changes. Now on the top menu bar, click on the spam filter option. It will open the spam filter settings. In default, spam filter will be enabled for all your email address in the Plesk control panel. In the what to do with message classified as spam, and select the options like mark spam messages or delete all spam messages, or move spam messages to the spam folder. Here select your desired option and click on the show advanced settings button. In default, spam filter sensitivity will be 7, don't touch it. On the whitelist field, enter the email address that you want to whitelist from the spam filter. Please note that you can also enter the single email address or in the below formats to whitelist the IP. On the blacklist field, enter the email address that you want to mark it as spam. Here also you can use the single email address or the defined formats to enter it here. Once you configure everything here, click on the OK or apply button. Now let's see how to check mail client configuration details and log into the mail account. On the same mails page, straight to the mail address, you can see the option named mail client setup. Click and open it. First option you can see automatic discover setup. Click and open it. Here make sure enable mail auto discover is enabled. The below records are used to set up automatic mail client configuration like in Thunderbird, Gmail on Android, iOS Mail, and finally in Outlook Auto version. If you are using Plesk DNS management to manage the records, it will automatically update it in the Plesk DNS management. Or else you are managing the DNS records in the Cloudflare or in the domain, please update the records there. On the left side, you can see Thunderbird, Gmail, Outlook, iOS Mail and manual setup options. If you click it, it will open the steps to configure the email in the email client. Now on the top right, you can see the option named Copy Setup Wizard link. Copy the link and paste it on the browser. In this page, if you select your email client, it will guide you with the step-by-step with the screenshots. By referring the details here, you can easily configure the email into your email client. Log into your email account, come to the same mail dashboard. Now click on the webmail option on the right side of your mail. On the webmail login page, enter your email address and your email password to log in. You can also use the webmail login URL to log into a webmail account. Now let's see how to configure the mail settings in the Plesk control panel. On the same mails dashboard, you can see the option named mail settings on the top. Click and open it. The settings you are seeing here are the core settings. The first option will be the mail service on this domain. In default, it will be on the enabled status to send and receive the mails. You can also disable for the incoming mail. It means this domain can only send mail, can't receive the mails. And if you click the not configured, Plesk will not provide any mail services on this domain. Also, it will remove all the domain's mailboxes with received and sent emails. And the second option will be what to do with the mail for non-existent users. If you want to set up automatic response for this case, select on the bounce with message and enter the text here. It will automatically send the bounce back message to the sender. Or else you can choose to forward to address. It will send all the mail for the non-existent user to this mail address. Or else you can choose the default choice reject. On the webmail section, you can choose your webmail app, like you want to use the Roundcube or the Hod. In default, it will be set as Roundcube webmail. Select the webmail that you want to use, and please don't change any remaining settings because this is the core settings page. Now click on the save or apply button. Go back to the mail page and click on the webmail button. Enter the email ID and password and click on the login button. Now you are successfully logged into a Hod webmail. Here click on the mail and click on the search button. Now it will open your mailbox's default homepage with the primary folders. That's all friends. If you have any doubts in the details mentioned in this video, please contact our SeekaHost India support team. They will assist you on that. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant updates about the videos, please press the bell icon.